Okay guys, this is Tippler, New Zealand, and here you can see my 12 birds kid. I think they are just matching together very well and flying awesome together in good altitude, and they try to don't lose each other and compete against each other in the sky. I truly am enjoying them, and it's really awesome weather. No wind and close to evening time, and truly I'm enjoying these awesome tipplers. Definitely they are enjoying from each other as well in the sky and flying together. I just lost them, so let me just find them again for you. Here we go. Yeah, awesome and very good heights today. Yeah, you can see them here if I zoom. "12 birds kid." Sweet.